Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing well and it's good to see you all out here again. And me and my husband, we are going to Corsian. We just get ready. I'll just wear this and go because I'll be wearing wind cheater outside. And yep, let's go. I'll see you guys out there. Come over here. Where are you, Cap? My husband is also here. So we have some work out there at Corsian. We will go fast and come back fast because now it's winter, so even the day are very short. By 4 o'clock it will be getting dark out here. I have some money out there, so don't miss. So let's go and I'll see you guys out there at Corsian. Corsian Punchishare. We have reached Corsian and right now we are here at Aja Aji's house. Aja Aji's house. And Aji is doing something. तो पहले पूरा series में काम कर रहे थे. We are here at Corsian and then tomorrow they have a festival, so during their festival we have to cook each and everything. All this we call this shrimp, sweet potato, mushroom, yam, sweet potato.
100 rupees, give him 100.
Go! Everything is done. Okay, I didn't know. That's what I'm asking. Wait from here for a while. This is this train scam us.
धोखा देता है
धोखा दिया. My husband told me train is coming, so we have to wait. And then oh, इतना छोटा सा ट्रेन ने धोखा दिया हम लोग को.
I thought mama had promised me a mockingbird, and each note that she sings kind of reminds me of her. A brand new bottle tucked away behind my seat, and if I get pulled over, I'll pretend it's not for me. There's a problem here, but it's not yours, it's his. And every day he'll wake up longing for your kiss.
I want to take some pictures.
There's gotta be more to live for in a lonely town.
Guys, we stopped out here and then we took some picture. Now it's time for us to go home. It's quite cold also. I'm wearing double. It's just unfortunate plan. Let's go. और मेरा husband की फोटो खींचने गया. अभी उसको थोड़ा इरिटेट लग रहा है बोला. It was his favorite jacket, so he doesn't want to be in the video. And every time, whenever we are doing vlogging, ऐसे होता है जैसे if you're wearing this. So अभी जाएगा. Let's go. We took some picture. And this is my favorite place. Yes, we stop out here at one place and look at this place. Such a cute view. Wow, it's beautiful, no? Nice view. कितना प्यारा है. And I can see some cute Christmas tree. Look at this doll. Wow, beautiful. Look at the view. Oh, it's amazing. So cute. कितना सुंदर है, सुंदर, बहुत बहुत सुंदर है. But it's, see, you have to look down from here like this way. It's a little scary as well, but it's fine. And they have a very cute doll over here. See how cute. Very, very cute. Oh, I just love the place. See, everything is like, you can see each and every, even this side and the other side as well. And we order, I wanted to have coffee because it's too cold out here. Kyle videos to Gertrude. Are you feeling cold? Are you feeling cold? So my coffee also here, and this is for my husband. Oh, they put sugar so he can't drink. So I'm gonna drink coffee, and the other one is lemon tea. And look at the view. So cute. Guys, auntie का टी बहुत अच्छा है. It's very tasty. I'm having with biscuit. Tasty? If you guys, whenever you guys go to this hotel, you guys can stop out here and try the coffee. The coffee was very delicious. I mean very tasty. And also glass, actually this was not mine, from my husband he ordered, but they put sugar and we don't drink with sugar, so I am the one. My second glass. Wow, this is also very, very, very nice. Everything is good, perfect. Sugar, lemon, all good. Nice.
My phone won't ring unless I call you out. But the kids seem good and that'll do for now.
So we will be going down again.
For this lonely town. Set my hands down on the table and just breathe. No one's forcing me to stay, but I can't leave.
Guys, we reach home just now. I just changed my dress right now. Guys, we reach home and I just want to sit here near the fire for a while. And let's go. Nini right here doing momo.
Let's be honest with each other from now on. And I took things for granted, now so much is gone. I keep treading water, trying not to drown. I miss the people I know in this lonely town.